LiDAR used to be a luxury reserved for $100,000 flagship sedans. But in 2026, the rules have changed. This is the Leapmotor A05, a compact electric hatchback that's ready to do to the entry-level market what its big brothers did to SUVs, democratize premium tech. It's small, it's sleek, and it's packing the kind of eyes usually found on a Tesla rival. Welcome back to DRX AUTO MOBI. Today we're looking at the car that might just make high-end autonomy affordable for everyone. The A05 isn't about breakneck 0 to 60 times. It's about efficiency and city smarts. You have two options under the hood: a 70 kilowatts base motor or a peppier 90 kilowatts variant for the top spec model. Both are paired with LFP batteries, which are not only more durable, but help keep that price point shockingly low. With a curb weight starting at just 1,310 kilograms, it's light on its feet, making it the perfect companion for the daily commute without the range anxiety of older city EVs. Now let's talk about those sensors. Look closely at the roofline. You'll see it, the LiDAR pod. The A05 can be optioned with a full suite of hardware, including binocular front cameras and side mirror sensors. This gives it a massive advantage in dense traffic, allowing for smoother adaptive cruise in advanced lanes centering that rivals cars twice its price. Inside, the cabin follows the Leapmotor minimalism vibe, featuring a 14.6-inch high-definition screen powered by Leapmotor OS 4.0 Plus with integrated AI to handle your voice commands. At 4.2 meters long, it's shorter than a Golf, but wider than a Polo, maximizing every inch of interior space. It's squarely aiming for the BYD Dolphin and the MG4. But Leapmotor's secret weapon is its vertical integration. They build over 60% of the car's components in-house. This allows them to undercut the competition while offering better tech. It's a clean, restrained design that doesn't scream budget, even if the window sticker says otherwise. The 2026 Leapmotor A05 is proof that you don't need a six-figure salary to drive the future. It's practical, it's smart, and it's about to make the compact segment very uncomfortable for the big players. Would you trust a budget EV with LiDAR? Let us know in the comments. Like and subscribe for DRX AUTO MOBI. I'll see you in the next one.